Hi everyone, Dafan the Professor Z here, revealing the 3 secret ingredients to your entrepreneurship success.
Hi, I'm Dafan, the Professor Z, your real-life homeless to Ivy League professor, attorney, and serial entrepreneur.
In today's 5-minute entrepreneurship lecture, I will tell you the secret ingredients to entrepreneurship success. Kung Fu Panda says, there is no secret ingredient. So why are we looking for it? There's hard work and some things that you really need on a practical basis. First off, you must have resources. By resources, I really just mean money. You need money to start a business. That everybody knows. But is money really necessary? What if you have a lot of time? Some people might say, I don't need money. I have a lot of time. And I have a lot of talent. I'm going to take my time and talent and I'll make myself into a success. On the surface, that is true. But let's think about this for a minute. If you have nothing but time to work on your business idea, who's paying your bills? How are you living? Living and paying your bills costs money. So even if you don't spend any money on your business idea, you still need the money to live. Let's go a step further. If you spend all your time working on your business idea, then you're necessarily not making money with your time. People say time is money, and there's truth in that. By dedicating all your time on your business, you're missing out on opportunities you might otherwise have to make money, such as working at a job. So spending time on your business comes with the opportunity cost that a lot of people don't account for. But in the end, which way you look at it, you still need money. You either need money to start your business or you need money to buy time from other things you're doing so you can spend your time on your business. There are other things you will need your money for, which we'll discuss in a second. The second thing you need is skill. Of course, it's always good to have skills, but having a broad set of skills is crucial to the success of your business. When you're starting off, resource, money, is limited. So you have to take over a lot of tasks yourself. You will have to be able to manage the business, maybe do a bit of marketing, and you also have to dedicate your skills on developing a good product. That's why skill is crucial. Without the right skills, you either cannot produce a quality product or service, or you have to pay someone to do it for you. That doesn't necessarily mean you have to have all the skills, but you should have as much as possible so you can do most of the things yourself in the beginning until you're able to get other people to help you along the way. Of course, you can't have everything, so you will still need help. But the more you have, the less you need from someone else. The third thing you need is a good idea. I have previously done a couple of videos on coming up with the right idea. If you missed it, here are the links. I put idea last, not because it's not important, but it is because a lot of people have a lot of good ideas. But there are very few people who can turn a good idea into a good business. So while ideas are important, it isn't necessarily as important as the other two things. So let's refresh our memory. Resource, skill, and idea. Those are what I call the triangle of success. A successful entrepreneur business must have all three things. Now you might ask, what if I don't have them all? Rarely do people have all three things. As a matter of fact, I think if you had all three things, chances are you're already successful in something you're doing. So what if we don't have all three? That's okay. In my experience, if you can have 2 of the 3 things, then you are likely to be able to get the third thing pretty easily. Let's look at this. If you have resources and the idea, so you're missing skills, all you have to do is find someone who can help you by bringing in the right skill set. You can pay that person. You can bring that person in as a partner, or you can pay that person as an employee. Either way, with your resource or money, you will be able to get the right skills. What if you have the resource and the skills? Well, that's a no-brainer. If you can make things happen with your skills and you have the resources to make it happen, all you need is an idea. You can start your own search like a Shark Tank and get the idea you want and use resource to make it happen. Lastly, if you have the skills and you have the idea, you have 2 ways to go about this. You can work on it yourself and make a product or service and then try to sell it and make it into a success, or you can find an investor who might have the resources but lack the other 2 things. That's a good match. That's what investors, angel investors, venture capital, that's what they are there for. They're there to provide the resource necessary to take the person with good skills and the right idea to the next level to success. There you have it. Those are my 3 not so secret ingredients to success as an entrepreneur. Don't worry if you don't have all 3. Work hard, look around, get 2 of them, and you should be able to obtain the 3rd one. Good luck out there. Again, this is Dafan, the Professor Z, guiding you on your journey to success, freedom, and satisfaction through entrepreneurship. If you like my simple 5-minute lectures, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I will see you soon. Be successful.